Hi guys, today I am going to be cooking dinner from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in seeing that, stick around. Hi guys, today I am going to be cooking dinner from the Dollar Tree. I promised you a couple of videos ago on my last Dollar Tree haul that I would be showing you a couple of meals that you can make that are vegan, that are from the Dollar Tree. Every single ingredient is from the Dollar Tree and is vegan. So I am going to do that in this video for you today. Today we are going to make pizza from the Dollar Tree. So I have this two crust little pizza stuff, and then I've got some mushrooms, and I've got some red bell peppers that are marinated. I have pizza sauce, and then I have got this pepper stir fry, which I'm just going to chop up to make smaller so I can put it on my pizza. And then I've got some chopped spinach. So both of these I'm going to thaw so I can put them on my pizza. Now this meal is completely vegan. It is not oil-free though. So the pizza sauce and the dough both have oil in it. You could make your own pizza dough at home, and of course you could also just buy a can of tomato sauce and then sprinkle it with Italian seasoning, and that would be a great pizza sauce. That's actually what we use most of the time if we don't have any of the pizza sauce from the Dollar Tree. So first I'm going to open up this guy, and I've already got my oven going at 450 degrees. It's already heating up. So let's see here. These are all big long strips, so I'm actually just going to pull them out of there and dice them up a little bit finer, just because I don't like big strips on my pizza. I like a little dice on my pizza. Let's see here. Now these are quite small pizzas, so you don't really need this whole bag. You could probably save the rest of this and do like fajitas or an actual stir fry or something like that. Let's see. All right, so my camera cut out there, but I have rinsed the, diced and then rinsed the peppers and onions, and then I'm just kind of drying them off so they're not too soggy. And then I've got the spinach here, and I'm just gonna rinse it off under warm water to thaw it as well, and then I'm also going to put it in some paper towels to get all the excess moisture off of there. So let's do that. Push out as much water as I can. And the oven is a dry heat, so it's actually going to make these not so, squishy mushy. All right. Let's see how the peppers are doing. And my oven is done heating up, so that is ready to go. I'm actually going to use this other set of paper towels because these were quite wet. And that's my 6-month-old there. She's supervising the whole process, probably wanting to have a piece of pizza herself, which she may get. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and then I think the spinach, yeah, should be fine like that. All right. So let's open up these. Okay, and those look pretty good. So they're nice, and they're kind of a thicker pizza. Oops, be sure to take the cardboard off of there. That would not taste good. Okay. Now let's do some pizza sauce. And like I said, normally we actually just use tomato sauce and throw some Italian seasoning on there, and it's very delicious. So this is pretty much the same thing, except for it's got some oil in it. But it is nice and handy when you're, you're being especially lazy, because we never use up a whole can of tomato sauce. There was always extras, so I always have to worry about like freezing it or, you know, finding something to do with it. So this, we can just put the lid on, put it right back in the fridge, and then we'll probably use it again quite soon because we make pizza quite often. Okay. So sauce looks good. Now I'm going to put the spinach down first. My 6-month-old is really wanting that pizza sauce, it looks like. So I'm just going to kind of lay the spinach down. This is actually quite a healthy vegan meal, considering that it's from Dollar Tree. There's nothing in these bags of vegetables except for the vegetables, so there's no additives whatsoever, so quite healthy considering. All right, I'm just going to take some, move it over there. All right, that looks good. Then sprinkle these on. Get every last bit if I can. Okay. And then last, we're going to throw some of those mushrooms on there. I'm not going to use the marinated peppers just because we've already got peppers here, but I did want to let you guys know that they do have these marinated peppers there if you prefer those. All right, so let's see if I can dry these off a little bit. And I think these guys might just be in water. Yeah, these are just in water with citric acid as a preservative. So these don't have any extra flavor, just mushrooms. And they're already diced for me and sliced, which I like. No, I don't need another paper towel for that. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some mushrooms on each one. And they've also got, at the Dollar Tree, they've got like sliced jalapenos and banana peppers and all kinds of, and red pepper flakes. I mean, you can really go crazy with making a pizza from the Dollar Tree. There's all kinds of good stuff. Okay, so those are ready. Show you there. We'll go ahead and put those in the oven. I'm thinking since it's these are kind of soggy, I'm probably going to do like 15 minutes instead of the recommended like 7 to 10. So let's go ahead and put those in, and then I will fast forward through the magic of video to when they are finished, and I will show you how they turned out. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so the pizza is done, and I will give you a close-up look. I did cook it for, let's see if that focuses, for about 20 minutes, just because I wanted the crust to get quite brown. I like a really crispy crust. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of those guys off of there. Oops, and cut it. There we go. Use my big chef's knife here. Now, these two pieces cost me $5, but I did not use all of the pizza sauce, the mushrooms, and the spinach, and then the peppers and onions. So I could make a lot more of these pizzas for, you know, what, just $1 for 2 more pizza crusts. So very inexpensive meal, healthy because it's vegan, and almost oil-free. Not quite, but almost. So let's show you guys. Look at all those toppings. Probably gonna dump some. That's okay. I have my dog. She'll help. All right, guys. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that little red subscribe button down below, and I will see you next time. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. That's delicious. The peppers are actually, they're still crispy. Yep. That's really delicious. See you next time, guys.